Good students, today I will teach you about some important questions, okay, which is thus: from the following figure find x plus y plus z. A, x plus y plus z, and in this case x plus y plus z plus w. Okay, the value is determined. Okay, in first case, solution of A. This z is the exterior angle and 30 is the interior angle. X, y and z are exterior angle of a polygon, okay, and 39 and angle B is the interior angle of this polygon. And you know that sum of the all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree, okay student, and sum of the all interior angle formula, sum of the all interior angle, sum of all interior angles formula is equal to 2n minus 4 upon here 2n minus 4 upon or 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, by this method or this formula we can determine the sum of all interior angle of a polygon, and you know that sum of the all interior angle of exterior angle is equal to sum of the all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree always. Okay, sum of the all interior angle you can determine the value by this formula, and the exterior sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay student, before it I have taught you about these formulas. Okay, after this solve it. In this case angle B not known, and you know that the total interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here two angle is known but B is unknown. Then we can write here angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 30 plus 90 degree. Okay, by triangle angle rule, by sum of angles triangle rule. Okay, thus 180 degree minus 120 degree, we get here 60 degree. Therefore angle B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, thus angle B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, thus the value of B is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and the sum of exterior and interior angle, the sum of an exterior plus and interior angle. Interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, student? Thus the angle B is equal to 60 degree. The interior angle of Z, exterior angle, exterior angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. We get here 150 degree. After this, exterior angle of Y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then we get here exterior angle Y is equal to 120 degree, and here angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. We get here 90 degree. Okay. After this, the sum of all interior angle. Therefore, sum of all interior angle X plus Y plus Z is equal to, okay, 100 X 90 degree plus the value of Y 120 degree plus 150. Okay. Thus the total value is 360 degree during the adding. Okay. Which is the answer. Okay, student. After this, the value of here B. Here X plus Y plus Z is equal to 360 degree. Okay. This value is 90 degree and this value is 120 degree and this value is 150 degree. Okay. Here in quadrilateral, the sum of all angle is equal to 360 degree. By this rule, angle P is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree. Okay, then here 360 degree 86 140 plus 120 260 degree. Okay, and we get here 100 degree. Angle P is equal to 100 degree. Okay. After this, the interior angle, we can determine the interior angle stepwise. Here interior, here X, exterior angle exterior angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and exterior angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. Okay, and exterior angle of z, exterior angle of z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay, and here exterior angle W is equal to 180 degree minus 100. We get here 80 degree. Okay, therefore sum of the x plus y plus z plus w is equal to, the value of x is equal to 60 degree plus 100 degree plus 120 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 160 and here 100, 220 plus 60 plus 8, 360 degree, which is answer. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve by this method. Okay, next question, which is very important. Next question, which is very important, the sum of all interior angle. Question, the sum of all interior angle, the sum of all interior angle is 180 degree. Okay, then find the value of what is the measure of each angle. Okay, sum of all interior angle. Solution for this, the sum of all interior angle, we know that the sum of all interior angles, the sum of all interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is formula. On this basis we determine the sides of the polygon. Okay, here interior, sum of the all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Here 180 degree is equal to here 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, here 0 cancel 0 and 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 12, here 12 is equal to 2n minus 4. Here transfer minus 4 this side, then we get plus 4 is equal to 2n. Okay, here 16 is equal to 2n. Okay, then and 2 cancel 18, 2 8 ja 18. Therefore n is equal to 8. The side of the polygon is 8. Okay, then exterior angles, then interior angle. What is measure of each interior angle? Interior angle. Okay, interior angle. Interior angle. Interior angle is equal to, okay, 180 degree minus 360 degree by n. Okay, 180 degree minus 360 degree by 8. Okay, here 4 2 ja 8, 4 9 ja. Okay, here 2 1 ja 2, here 45. 180 degree minus 45, we get here 135. Thus the interior angles is 105. Interior angle is equal to, an interior angle is equal to 135 degree. Okay, then you multiply all interior angle. This methods you can determine the interior angles of a triangle, and you also determine the sides of the polygon when angles are given. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, next problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.